How to check your credit score in Canada. Free credit score providers. Borrowell. This popular platform provides free Equifax credit scores and reports, updated weekly. ClearScore. This UK-based fintech offers free TransUnion scores and reports, updated monthly. They also provide personalized deals on credit cards and loans. Credit Karma. This widely used platform provides free TransUnion credit scores and reports, updated weekly. Loans Canada. This loan comparison service offers free Equifax credit scores and reports, updated monthly. They also provide tools to compare loan rates from different lenders. Many major Canadian banks offer free credit score access to their customers. RBC customers can access their TransUnion credit score through their online banking portal, updated monthly. Scotiabank customers can check their TransUnion credit score through their online banking or mobile app, updated monthly. CIBC customers can check their Equifax credit score through their mobile banking app, updated every 3 months. Desjardins members can access their TransUnion credit score through their online banking portal, updated monthly. You can also request a free credit report directly from the 2 main credit bureaus in Canada. You can request a free Equifax credit report online, by phone, or by email. You can request a free TransUnion credit report online, by phone, or by mail. Quebec residents can also access their TransUnion credit score through the My True Identity platform.